Hello everyone. Welcome to English with Josh 365. I'm Josh from sunny California. Today, we are going to learn the 5 must-know English expressions related to sports that native English speakers like to use in their daily conversations. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button below. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Let's get started. Number 5, team player. Team player means to get along well with other people. An example would be, the boss liked him because he was a team player. Or, the spoiled kid refused to share his toys. He was not a team player. Here's a bonus tip. Team player is a great word to describe yourself during a job interview. Employers like people who work well with others. So you may want to describe situations where you were a team player. Number 4, running out of juice. Running out of juice means getting tired or being low on energy. I was running out of juice staying up last night working on this lesson plan. A runner could also run out of juice halfway through a marathon. It seems like my battery on my phone is always running out of juice. Number 3, what a catch. What a catch means to be lucky to have someone as a partner in a relationship. In English, we refer to someone who is very desirable as a catch. And the expression we like to use is, what a catch. For example, she was a catch. Not only was she very smart, she had a good sense of humor. Number 2, boxed into the corner. Boxed into the corner means to put yourself into a bad situation. Much like a boxer who is stuck in the corner of a boxing ring and must defend himself. You can be boxed into a corner at work. For example, the boss boxed her into the corner by giving her a new assignment that was due at the end of the day. Or, the cat was boxed into a corner by the pesky dog. Pesky means annoying, by the way. And the number 1 top English expression related to sports is, let your guard down. Let your guard down means to open yourself up to being vulnerable or to be careless. When you let your guard down, you are putting yourself at risk. It's another boxing term. A guard is when a boxer holds his hands up to protect his face from his opponent. But the term is used to describe a variety of situations. For example, she really let her guard down when she fell asleep at work. Or, the campers let their guard down when they left food out when they went to sleep. You don't want to leave food out because it can attract wild animals. So they really let their guard down when they went camping. Well, what did you think of these popular English expressions? What's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, in order to speak English effectively, it is important to study English every day, 365 days of the year. If you like this video and would like to watch more videos on learning English, please check out the other videos on my channel. I'll see you in my next video.